Hi friends, this is Danisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come up with a staycation vlog taken few months before when we went to Wayanad. It was a very small but a peaceful stay. I took some videos then but couldn't upload, so thought let me share our staycation experience with all of you now. We started at night from home and reached Wayanad by 4:30 a.m. It was cold and dark outside. Our hotel check-in time was by 12. We did not had anything much to do at this time, so we decided to go to Mutanga. Mutanga is a wildlife sanctuary, a place to spot wild elephants and other animals. The checkpost opens at 6 a.m. On the way we had some hot coffee from a nearby tea stall. It was slowly getting brighter outside. We also enjoyed the beautiful sunrise on the way. We all were a little tired as we were driving the whole night, but excited at the same time to spot the animals. And then we all eagerly started to look on our sides to spot the elephants. But to our bad luck, we couldn't spot any elephants nearby, but some wild deers. Elephants were far and I couldn't capture them in the camera. Overall, it was a very calm and peaceful experience to drive through the forest early morning without any noise of cars or other vehicles. On the way back, we had our breakfast and drove straight to our resort, which was in Kalpetta near Banasura Sagar Dam. We booked our stay in the Serenity Resort. We reached there before the check-in time, so the staff took us for a property tour. Even though we all were a little tired to walk, the view took all our tiredness. The property was facing towards the Banasura Dam, and the view from the hanging bridge and especially from the swimming pool was really amazing. We had booked Lakeview Deluxe rooms, but when the staff saw me taking videos, he inquired about my channel. And to our surprise, when we came back from the tour, they told us that they are upgrading our rooms to premium Lakeview, and on that they are giving us additional 1000 rupees voucher on the restaurant bill. That was such a sweet gesture by them, and also as a YouTuber, this was my first experience to receive any such extra service or goodies. I was very much thrilled about it. If you are looking for a peaceful and a calm staycation away from the city chaos, then this is the perfect place, close to the nature. This is the view from the pool. Isn't it looking beautiful? They looked even pretty in the pictures. I'll share the pictures we took in the evening later in this video. Our luggages are here and he's taking us to our room. This is their premium Lakeview rooms. Rooms were neat and tidy, and the best part about the room is the view from the balcony. This is the view from the room balcony. We all were so tired and wanted to settle down quickly to get some sleep before lunch. We ordered lunch to our rooms itself and had from the balcony. You can see how tired I look in this picture. After resting for some more time, we all got fresh and changed and went for a nature walk to take some good pictures. We took some pictures from the bridge and spent some good time near the pool. We had a lot of fun. This is the view I was talking about. The different shades of the water, the sunlight, the sky, the greens. When I posted these pictures in my Instagram, few of my friends said it looked like a foreign location. Yes, it did look like one. After spending time Swinging, chatting, taking pictures, we came to the restaurant to get some coffee and snacks. Later at night, the boys wanted to get into the pool, but we girls were least interested to get into the water as it was very cold. This was what we were sitting and doing there. The next morning after the breakfast, we went for a walk and later we got ready to check out to our next location, which was Munnar. So this was our small staycation vlog. Hope you all liked and enjoyed the video. See you all soon with more interesting ones. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.